Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a handy and educational tool that can help enhance your browsing privacy and experience. ARVPN, available through the UDP custom platform. If you're interested in learning how to use VPNs for general privacy, accessing region-restricted content, or exploring connection protocols, this video is for you. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. Open your browser, Chrome, Firefox, or any you prefer. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Click on the official UDP Custom website from the search results to get started. Step 2. Once on the home page, tap the menu icon at the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Free VPN. Step 3. You'll see a list of available VPN tools. Tap on ARVPN, then press the Install button to download the app. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once it's installed, tap Open. Step 4. When launching ARVPN for the first time, it may ask for notification permissions. This is optional. You can allow or decline based on your preferences. Make sure you have mobile data or Wi-Fi enabled so the app can update its server list. If the app restarts during this process, that's completely normal. Step 5. The app interface has two main sections. Servers. Tap here to view a list of available locations. Choose one based on your preference. Tweaks. Tap the Tweak section to view built-in connection types. Select one that works well with your network conditions. You can also add your custom configuration by naming your tweak, choosing a protocol type, and entering optional fields like SNI based on what your network supports. Step 6. After setting your server and tweak, return to the home screen and press the Start button. The app will begin connecting, and within a few seconds, your VPN connection will be active. And that's it! You've now successfully set up ARVPN using the UDP custom platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on privacy tools, apps, and safe internet tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.